won't believe how much protein are in these chicken tikka rolls. There is over 80 grams of protein each and the macros are crazy. Start by grabbing your diced chicken breast, add some low-fat Greek yogurt, followed by the seasonings listed on the screen, then some lemon juice, tomato paste, a drop of food coloring, mix it and set it to the side. Then to make the yogurt mint sauce, in a blender cup add yogurt, mint, garlic, cumin, green chili, salt and blend it together. Now cook your chicken on medium to high heat for 10 to 15 minutes, and you can use a store-bought bread or make your own by mixing together flour, yogurt and garlic powder, kneading it for about 5 minutes, then making 3 equal balls, roll it out with a rolling pin, then cook each one on a pan on high heat for 2 minutes on each side and assemble it by dividing the sauce, chicken and fresh coriander across all 3 rolls, roll them up and that's it. Enjoy.